Hey guys, अगर आप एक फोटोग्राफर हो या फिर वीडियोग्राफर हो then you need a good laptop for post production, right? तो आज की वीडियो में I'll recommend you 5 best budget laptops for serious photo and video editing. But before, the budget range that I usually consider for an editing laptop is between 45 to 65,000. So that's what I want to clarify. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Lenovo ThinkBook 15 Generation 2 laptop. Specs: processor up to 11th gen Intel Core i7, RAM 8GB, storage up to 1TB SSD, display 15-inch IPS panel with full HD resolution. Why do I recommend this laptop? First, you can customize this laptop based on your preference. Base version starts from 50,000, it goes up to 1 lakh. Second, there are a lot of ports. Thunderbolt 4, USB 3.2 Generation 2 Type-C port, 2 USB-A ports, plus headphone, LAN and HDMI ports as well. Furthermore, even a full-size SD card reader is also available for you. So guys, also considering the price here, I believe this is a very good editor's laptop. आप अपने budget के हिसाब से you can customize it and buy that version that suits your requirements. Number 2, Acer Nitro 5 laptop. Specs: processor AMD Ryzen 5 2500U, RAM 8GB, storage 1TB HDD, graphics card 4GB AMD Radeon RX 560X, display 15-inch IPS panel with full HD resolution. Again, why do I recommend this laptop? Firstly, this is a base model, starts from 54,000. It has great screen quality, faster CPU performance and dedicated graphics card. ये लैपटॉप गाइस आपको मैक्सिमम परफॉर्मेंस देगा. आई एग्री इट्स बल्की एंड मोर गेमिंग ओरिएंटेड, बट आपके एडिटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर मक्खन की तरह चलेंगे. तो गाइस नंबर 3, HP Pavilion गेमिंग लैपटॉप. Specs: AMD Ryzen 5 5600H, RAM 8GB, storage 512GB SSD, graphics card 4GB NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650, display 15.6-inch IPS panel with full HD resolution. Now, why do I again recommend this laptop? Firstly, there are many versions for this laptop. You can buy the 256GB SSD or 512GB SSD version. You can also get up to 16GB RAM. So a lot of options based on your budget. AMD Ryzen 5 is quite a good processor and therefore photo and video processing should not be a problem for you. Number 4, Asus TUF Gaming F15 laptop. Specs: processor Intel Core i5 10th generation, RAM 8GB, storage 512 SSD, graphics card 4GB NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650, display 15.6-inch 144Hz IPS panel with full HD resolution. Why do I recommend this laptop? This laptop will cost you around 60,000. Not only it has a decent processor, but it also has an excellent graphics card. Video and photo rendering में आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. Lastly, this laptop has amazing thermals. This means heat dissipation बहुत अच्छी है, and therefore laptop long run में बहुत ही अच्छा चलेगा. Number 5, MSI GF75 thin laptop. Specs: processor Intel Core i5 10th generation, RAM 8GB, storage 512GB SSD, graphics card 4GB NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650, display 17.3-inch 144Hz IPS panel with full HD resolution. Why do I recommend this laptop? This laptop will come at 60,000, but it also has a huge 17.3-inch 144Hz IPS display. It's quite thin, and obviously due to a large screen, good CPU and graphics card, it's very suitable for photo and video editing. So guys, these are my 5 recommendations. All of these are excellent laptops for video or photo editing. So guys, if you found value out of this video, please hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.